Tonight for dinner, we are going to have something different. We're going to have some potato and cheddar pierogies and some salad. If you guys have never had a pierogi before, you guys have no idea what you are missing. They are so, so good. But this is the box. My mom buys some from Walmart that comes in a bag. I wasn't able to find those, but we're going to fix these. So basically what you do is you take the pierogi and you boil it. And then you take it out of the boiling water and put it in a shallow pan with a little bit of vegetable oil and brown it on both sides for about 3 minutes. And then they're nice and brown. So I'm going to have, there's 24 here in all. And we're going to have some salad on the side with these. And I cannot wait because these are delicious. Ronnie is going to love these. Hello everyone, I'm sharing my supper tonight. So we are having burgers with onions. You can see the cheese just melting off those burgers. I got this on low. We have our burgers on toast. I realize a lot of people don't do that, but we love it on toast and it is delicious. And I have Heinz 57 on mine and Ronnie has ketchup. We also are having steak fries, which, woo, are right there in the oven. They're just about done, and I'll show you my plate when we're about to eat. So, I wish that I could send you a smell video of tonight's dinner because it smells phenomenal. I decided to surprise Ronnie with a homemade lasagna and some garlic toast. And I also made an ice cream cake this evening. So you guys will be seeing that in this What's for Dinner video. Anyhow, it's just got a few more minutes until the bread is nice and toasty. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I will show you in the freezer tonight's dessert. It is freezing away. Oh, look at that. And if you want to know how that's made, I'll link it down below. I think that video will come out before this What's for Dinner video that I'm doing. I shot how to make this and oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah. I cannot wait to dive into that. That looks so delicious.
What will we give you first?
Tonight's dinner, we have butterfly shrimp, baked potato, asparagus, and some steak. I gotta get my Heinz 57 out. Hello everybody, it is time for dinner again, and I wanted to share before I forgot. We had leftovers from last night, which was the steak, and then I added to it the pre-cooked grilled Tyson chicken. And I just added it to it. And then once it was heated through, then I added this McCormick's I can't even talk today. Fajita seasoning. It is really good. It has sort of it's spicy and very savory, but it has a little bit of a kick of lime sort of to it. It's really, really good. I love it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with it. So over here, I have my salsa. And I have my Mexican style cheese. I've got my quesadilla maker and it is all heated up and ready to go. I mean, it is steamy, steamy. So I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna layer in some chicken and steak. the cheese, some of this salsa, and then grill it. And then we'll have a little bit of sour cream and some tortilla chips on the side. And I'll show you what it looks like when it gets done. All right. Here we go. Let's see here. I just get my spatula up underneath. And I just move it to a plate. This thing gets really hot. And then I bring it over here and I cut it with a pizza cutter. Is it good, babe?
Oh, it grows up.
Hello guys, it is another dinner night. I am making salmon patties. I'm going to flip these here in a few minutes. Add some hot pepper rings to that, and it adds some spice, but oh, it's so nice. We've got some scalloped potatoes, really easy. And I've got broccoli back here boiling. And when I make my plates up, I will share what they look like. This is smelling so good right now, and I'm so hungry.
There's Rachel, unconsciously glamorous, like some movie star in her own romantic comedy, with a plot that was all too familiar. Aspiring artists.
So real quickly, we just made something very easy because I'm painting furniture and my kitchen is kind of distraught. So these are really easy. They are just Pillsbury biscuits wrapped around cheese and a hot dog. I call them bellinis. Technically, they're probably not really a bellini, but anyways, that's what we call them. We're going to have chips on the side with these and a glass of iced tea, and that will keep us full until later on tonight. Okay, this is going to be the last supper that I'm going to be sharing in this video, so kind of a strange, thing, but I made some chicken soup. It has rice, carrots, celery, chicken, stock, garlic, seasonings in it. Smells really good. My mother-in-law is feeling a little under the weather. She hadn't ate all day, and I asked her if she'd like to have some soup, and it sounded really good to me because I hadn't had any in a while. So I just bought some chicken breast. I boiled those, cut up all the meat. You know the drill of making. The only thing I wish I had was some fresh zucchini to put in here, and I love just a little bit of dill put in my chicken soup. It just makes it. I made Ronnie some dirty rice, and I'm going to put some cheese on it for him because he loves this. I made barbecue chicken legs for him as well. And so it's been a full day of shopping and going places, but you know what? I got dinner done. I got dinner done, and it's time to sit down for a while.